In this video, we will discuss creating an account in A-dec Plus. Begin by selecting Sign Up Now. Then enter your email and press Next. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the verification code and press Verify. Enter your first and last name. Then press Next. Create a password. Agree to the terms of service. And select Create Account. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.